The Supreme Court has stepped in to temporarily halt the planned execution this month of an Oklahoma man whose case has drawn support from both sides of the death penalty debate. Tonight, my exclusive interview with Richard Glossip on the day a dramatic new twist in his case unfolded. Less than 2 weeks before his scheduled execution, Richard Glossip once again waits at death's door like he has so many times before.
An incarcerated individual at Oklahoma State Penitentiary.
Richard, how many execution dates have you had?
9.
And 3 of those you were within minutes of being executed.
Yeah, 3 of them I was fed my last meal.
Each time he was given a last-minute stay. This morning, Glossip called me from Oklahoma's death row, his last interview before his new date to die, believing he had 13 days to live. Glossip, a former motel manager convicted of organizing the 1997 murder of his boss, Barry Van Treese, but he maintains his innocence. I think you know the question I have to start off with, and that is, did you have anything to do with the murder of Barry Van Treese?
I did not.
And you might be surprised who believes him and is fighting for him.
These people should be ashamed. They should be arrested.
These 2 men are not Glossip's defense attorneys. They are pro-death penalty conservative lawmakers, Oklahoma Representatives J.J. Humphrey and Kevin McDougal.
I don't think they've got enough to convict him of jaywalking.
There's no doubt that he's innocent of murder.
McDougal and Humphrey are desperate to save Glossip's life. They point to 2 independent reviews. Both determine the original investigation was corrupt.
This is unjust. I mean, this is a case where literally the prosecution team has tried to hide everything that they've done. One of the prosecutors, literally, we have it in writing, that she tried to change the testimony of the actual murderer.
Even the state's Republican Attorney General doesn't think Glossip should be put to death. And in a rare move just this week, the AG asked the Supreme Court to grant a stay of execution. The answer came today in the middle of our interview. None of us saw it coming. Just handed a note. The U.S. Supreme Court halts execution of Oklahoma death row inmate Richard Glossip, whose case has drawn support from state's Republican Attorney General.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
awesome.
I tell you, we thought they would do it. Oklahoma is finally going to have the opportunity to look under the hood.
The decision granting a temporary stay of execution, giving the court more time to review Glossip's case. Minutes after the decision, we spoke to Glossip's attorney, Don Knight.
We are thrilled that the court granted this stay of execution. This is something that we've been asking for a long time. We know that Rich Glossip is innocent.
Yet another reprieve for Glossip for now, but maybe not forever.
I either let this consume me, or I make peace with it and try to live the best I can with what life I have left. And that's what I've tried to do. I'm scared to death, don't get me wrong. I don't want anybody to take this like it's taking it lightly or anything, but you have to make peace with this situation. We have reached out to both the district attorney and the victim's family after today's news, but have not heard back from either. However, after a recent hearing, family members said they believe Glossip is guilty. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.